Hello there. I have got a quick little unboxing to share with you. My January Spellbinders club kit has come in. I had mentioned at last month's unboxing that what I've decided to do for this year is to pick one or maybe two things from each month, pick out my favorite, and then we will focus on that because I have so many other things I want to do with you guys that I want to make sure that I'm sort of fitting everything in. So I decided to stay with the same thing that I got last month. So I've gotten the large die of the month as well as the clear stamp and die. So let's take a look at the large die first because this is really the star of the show. I love this postage stamp Polaroid. This is so different. I haven't seen anybody else come out with anything like this, and I think this is going to be a lot of fun to play with on a lot of different cards. So it also has these florals that you can frame around it, and then these birds are the star of the show. Let me turn over so you can take a look at those. Aren't they gorgeous? I just love the look of this. I really had plans to mix it up and maybe go with the small kit instead of the large, but I just saw this one and had to have it. So I can't wait to put those little birds together. I can't wait to play around with lots of different designs for this, and I love these florals. There's a different idea using just those florals to create a frame on its own. So this is the Hummingbirds Delight, it's called, and it is the January large die of the month. And then in addition to that, I am wanting more and more sentiment, so I was thrilled that this is another full sentiment stamp set. Beautiful scripty words. Hello, best, for, thank you, wishes, smile, and then some smaller ones. You're one of a kind, wishing you the best year. Hope this card brightens your day and have a nice day. So this is perfect. Again, I'll be able to use this all year round. This could be a go-to, and of course we have the dies to cut everything out. So these are the Spellbinders kits I chose for this month. I will be back again soon with some card ideas for you.